gonna say it's gonna. Okay. So now I'm going to do speaker view. Okay. So I thought I'd do this really quick and do this on the phone with you guys of unboxing of my, this is my Scentsy Club order for this month. And I always get a box. It's like Christmas. So this month I got my wax. This is so I don't run out of it. It's that Life's a Garden collection. I couldn't.
Oh yeah, I love that. That the wax you just had in your hand. I love that one.
This one, the lavender, and then I've got pineapple mint.
I like that pineapple mint one.
I've got apple parsley, and my other one is the daisy one. This one, but I only get these. I do this one every 3 months. So I only get those every 3 months. And my cotton cleanups, those come every other month, I think.
Yeah, I keep those on hand too.
Washer whiffs, because I'm out of that. And my whiff box. Whiff box. Is it upside down? Whiff box. And because it's in my club order as a box, this one isn't like wrapped, taped down and shut, sent separate. It comes with the whole club order. So, oh my gosh, look how cute.
Oh, those are cute.
Okay, there's never been a bad time for baking. So this month we're honoring this beloved pastime. Your October Whiff Box includes a variety of bakery-themed fragrances, plus an exclusive set of Scentsy Star cookie cutters. So, of course, we had to include a cookie recipe to go along with them. And don't forget to share, or not, we won't tell. And then they give you little, like, made with love, and it's in multiple languages and everything.
Oh, that's cute.
So, here's the cookie cutters.
I like that.
Oh, they're so cute.
Is it just one in there?
No, it's 3 of them.
Okay, gotcha.
3 different ones, but in a cute little box. 3 stainless steel cookie cutters. And almond croissant room spray, but it may be different. It's just gonna be bakery themed for everybody.
Yeah.
Sugar cookie. Of course, it's got all the purpley stuff. That makes sense. Ooh, a fragrance flower. Which one's this one? Oh, vanilla bean buttercream. And the wax. Okay, I got 2 bars and then the sample for next month, right? Okay, this is the sample, the icicles and evergreen.
Mm-hmm. That's the one for the Christmas snowman warmer, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
the countdown.
Gotcha.
That one is really good.
I read it's gonna be delayed too.
And then this is baked apple pie and cinnamon buttercream. Yummy! Yay, Whiff Box, really exciting. So these cookies cutters make it really fun this year. And I always love these little things. I don't know if you ever get these, guys, but it also has a recipe for vanilla bean buttercream sugar cookie recipe.
Oh, like I need
that sounds good.
So I love all these little things that are in it. So anyway, yeah, with the ingredients and how to make it. Except, oh, and it's got, I think it's got I think it's just got the sugar cookie. I don't think it has the icing. So it's just sugar cookie recipe. It's so cute, isn't it? Fun.
Making those.
Fun. Very fun.